Thanks for stopping into Sandra Sensations. I'm going to be doing a landscape painting today. Hopefully that's what it's going to turn out to be. It's going to be I think they call it a reverse dip or a dip. I'm going to put plastic over top and roll it off once I have my colors down. I'm hoping for a landscape. So I've got my black down already on my 16 by 20 black canvas. I'm just going to blow out the bubbles and get to it. Now when I put the plastic down, it usually causes quite a bit of bubbling as well, so I'm just going to do a quick torch on there because I'll be doing it again shortly. Okay, so the bottom section I want to have kind of a couple of different greens and maybe a little bit of yellow and a lighter green. So I'm going to go with first my dark green. I've pre-mixed it with sap green and black mixed together. So it's kind of like a camouflage green. And I want to do it maybe right around this section here. And then I have my festive green. All these dark colors I have stuck to my gloves right now. It's going to get everywhere. Okay, there's my festive green. And my sap green. Get the corners as well. And my light green, I just mixed this one up. Actually, my lighting's kind of off again, isn't it? I thought I had that fixed, but I guess not. Okay, then I have a very light green with a little bit of silicone in it, if I remember correctly. It's been a while since I made that color, but I'm pretty sure there's a little bit of silicone in it. And I'm going to just put a little bit of yellow down here as well, just in a couple of places. And then I'm going to add my evergreen, which is a really dark green, more up to the top area, a little bit down below. Okay, so that's my area of greenage, hopefully. And then I'm going to add a little bit of white, or my metallic pearl, I should say. Just a little bit, just to highlight. Okay, so now I want to do what I'm hoping will be a tree effect. I've got my burnt umber. And he's going to go this way. I'm not sure how much this is going to spread out, so completely winging it here. This will be a test for all of us. And then I also want to add some bronze. And do I want to add a little bit of pearl in there? Maybe just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Not looking like much right now, is it? Now for leaves. I want to do some greens up top, of course, which I'm going to do my dark green. think I'm going to go with my sap green. And then I want to add a punch of color, like, call me crazy, but I'm going to put my fire red. And I'm going to add some of my chrome orange right around the same area of that red. But one thing that's cool about abstract is nothing needs to be perfect. Okay, do we want a little bit of yellow in there too? No, let's do some coral. I think I'll do coral and yellow just to add a little bit of a neutral color in there. Not much, just a little bit. Yeah, I'm going to go with yellow too. I'm going to put that with the green. Just in a couple of spots. Okay, now I'm going to lay my plastic down and see what happens. Let's everybody hold our breath. Okay. Now I think I want to do this section going this direction, maybe up a little bit, up and down really. And this one I want to be going down. Yeah, down or just maybe even a little bit of a wave of my hand. Okay, I'm just going to press just lightly with my hand. Okay, now I think I want to do this going this way. Okay, wow, that looks kind of cool. I think I'm going to take my straw and just get this going a little bit in this direction. Okay, now let's give it a torch. Definitely lots of bubbles in here. Now I'm just trying to look and see what I might want to do. These look really cool, but I think I want them to come down more in a wispy way. So I'm going to turn my painting. It does look really cool. I think it can look cooler. Yeah, I think that's better. Now let me turn it around again. Yes, that looks pretty awesome. I'm going to give it another torch. And there we have it. It totally looks like trees. It's awesome. Thanks very much for joining me, everyone.